John's home-based tradie business has outgrown his garage. With work starting to pick up, John wants to take on an apprentice, upgrade the work ute and move to an industrial shed. It was hard for John to get a loan because he has inconsistent income. John saw Toowoomba's Edge Lending, the business lending experts. Edge Lending was able to secure a loan to help grow his business by tapping into the equity in his home. Edge Lending Solutions, helping small businesses to grow.
Hey everyone, Scott from Edge Specialist Advice Network. I hope you're all well. Hey, I'm here at the Dubai Mall, which is a pretty cool spot to be. We're just doing a layover through on our way to somewhere else, but I want to spend a couple of days here and get a feel for the money. Oh my God! Well, and you can see right behind me, we've got the waterfall show starting. This place is amazing, guys. I recommend you coming here. For anyone who's an entrepreneur, this is where you need to be. You probably need to get out of your own country. I'll talk to you soon. Let me come and speak again when it finishes. Hey guys, how good was that? We had some amazing timing. So look, my theme here is one of abundance, right? You gotta have an abundance mindset. And so unfortunately where we come from, a lot of my clients come from, so whether it's US, Canada, and Australia, we get suppressed all the time because every time we try and make $1, someone's taking 40 cents of it, right? And so this is what can be done when a country bases its wealth upon its resources and taxes companies pretty much nothing and their citizens very, very low. Everything becomes very, very wealthy. It's exactly the opposite of what's happening in my country, in Australia. It's unfortunate. So, you know, we need to work out how to be a little bit diverse and make sure we're in places that we don't pay the same stupid rate of tax that we're paying back home. All right, guys, I just thought I'd bring you something different today. That was pretty amazing. If you're in Dubai, you got to be here. Remember, life is a family sport. Give yours an edge. See ya.
Phil owned an established business and it was really starting to grow. But he was using credit cards as an overdraft, had overdue accounts from suppliers, as well as a tax debt with the ATO. He needed to consolidate this debt and free up working capital. He saw Toowoomba's Edge Lending, who helped him replace these high-interest debts with one simple facility with lower repayments. Edge Lending Solutions, helping established businesses to grow.